Alright guys, please try this question and you can resume for the solution. So let's solve the question. The minimum possible value of the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation x square plus a plus 3 into x minus a plus 5 is equal to 0 is. You have to find out the minimum possible value of sum of the squares of the roots of this equation. Let the roots of the equation be alpha and beta. You are required to find out the minimum possible value of alpha square plus beta square. Now guys, we already know that for a quadratic equation, we have studied this in algebra, the sum of the roots is minus the coefficient of x upon the coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta is minus of a plus 3 divided by the coefficient of x square here is 1. So here sum of the roots is minus of a plus 3. Similarly, we also know that the product of the roots is the constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. So it is minus of a plus 5 divided by 1. That's minus of a plus 5 again. And now what we need is alpha square plus beta square. It can be also written as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta, right? So when you open this out, you'll get alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta and minus 2 alpha beta will get cancelled out. So ultimately you will get alpha square plus beta square, right? I'm simply writing this expression as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. And now we have to plug in the value. So in place of alpha plus beta, we can substitute minus of a plus 3. I will get minus of a plus 3 the whole square minus. In place of alpha into beta, I can substitute minus of a plus 5. So minus 2 into alpha beta will be minus of a plus 5, and when I simplify this minus of a plus 3 the whole square is like a plus 3 the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. I have to be slightly careful here. Minus 2 into minus of a plus 5 is plus twice of a plus 5. This I can further simplify as a square plus 6a plus 9 plus 2a plus 2 5s are 10, which boils down to a quadratic equation. A square plus 6a plus 2a will give me 8a and 9 plus 10 will give me 19. I have to find the minimum value of this quadratic equation. Okay, so the entire question eventually boils down to finding out the minimum value of this quadratic equation. So now on, we have several ways we can use the process of differentiation. If you know derivatives, you can differentiate with respect to a. You will get 2a plus 8 should be 0. A is minus 4. And second derivative is basically 2, which is positive. That means you have a minima or a minimum value. And that is obtained when you substitute a as minus 4 in the given equation. So minus 4 square plus 8 into minus 4 plus 19. Minus 4 square is 16. 8 into 4 minus is minus 32 plus 19. 16 and 19 is 35 minus 32 is 3. This is one way of solving. Here we can also use the concept of completing the squares. So we can write this quadratic as a square plus 8a plus 19 can be split as 16 plus 3. And now this expression is a plus 4 the whole square plus the extra 3. Now this being a perfect square will have a minimum value of 0, right? And that's how the minimum value of your expression becomes 0 plus 3, and that is equal to 3. This is another way out. The other way is we have also studied how to find out the maximum minimum of a quadratic. For any quadratic equation, the minimum or the maximum value occurs when x is minus b by 2a. So this means the minimum value of this quadratic equation will be at that value of x, which is equal to minus the coefficient of a upon twice the coefficient of a square in this case. So it is minus of 8 upon 2 into coefficient of a square here is 1. It is minus 4. And again, substituting x equal to minus 4, or in this particular context, the variable is a. Substituting a as minus 4, we get the minimum value of the quadratic. And this we have already done here, right? Same way we get the answer as 3. Different ways we'll get the same answer in all the cases. The answer would be option C.